Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamili and this is a random vlog, okay? So today, first of all, I just woke up from a nap here with my sweet little baby. And his birthday is tomorrow, so I already got that planned out. That's probably gonna be a whole nother vlog, but tonight I'm going to a 90s party. And I've never been to a 90s party. And due to the fact that his party is close to the 90s party. I didn't have time to plan, but I do have some 90s inspired things in my closet because you know your girl a thrifter. So we're just gonna put together me an outfit to see what we come up with. Now, if I sound a little weird, my allergies are acting up, okay? The pollen, the weather, it just but really my only problem is like my voice. So, yeah. Let's go look for an outfit though. Okay, y'all. So, alright, y'all. So, I already kind of got an idea. Well, let me show y'all what I kind of know. So, I got this flannel, and to me, this flannel is giving 90s. Okay. So, I think the easiest thing for me to do is do like the flannel, and it's oversized. It's like it's a large though. I think this is a men's. I got this a while back though. I'm gonna do the flannel with maybe like a crop top and some high-waisted biker shorts. So let me see if I can locate some of those, and then we will go from there. All right, so I found my biker. Well, these are a pair of my biker shorts, but these are actually not the pair I'm gonna wear, but they're very similar. Actually, this exact same, but they're just shorter. And then I'm gonna throw on my tank top. So now I have on the undergarments, and what I'm gonna do, because I do want a little skin showing, I'm gonna take the shirt, pull it like this, and then fold it down to make like a crop top. Got me? Feel me? I'm also gonna have on a different color bra, so that's not gonna be an issue either. But this is for the basics, and then I'll just put this little hem over it, which really has like that 90s look to it. You feel me? So I think this is cute for a 90s party. Let me see. Oh yeah, this is definitely cute for a 90s party. And I'm also gonna get, let me see what I'm gonna do for my shoes. Hold on. So for the shoes, I think I'm gonna do my Nike Airs. I'm not really a tennis shoe girl, but I bought these when I went to North Carolina, and I had saved up some money, not so much. I had saved up some money for that trip. Didn't spend a lot, so I was like, let me spend $120 on some shoes. So these are those shoes. But I think I'm gonna put on some tube socks if I got some. All right, y'all, so I don't think I'm gonna do any like tennis shoes. I think I'm just gonna do my Nike slides. Yeah, that's gonna be real 90ish. Like this, and have it falling off my shoulder like that. Now for jewelry, I wanna do gold. I wish I had like a thick gold chain, but I don't. But I do got this gold butterfly that I got from Timu. And then I have a gold watch, and I think I'm gonna mix and match tonight. Not mix and match, but like do gold and silver tonight, because I don't have any gold earrings, but I wish I had a gold chain because that would be nice. But I don't have one, but I do have this gold watch that I'm just gonna throw on. All right, so boom, got the watch. Boom bam. I hope I'm giving 90s. I think I am. And with the Nike slides, and I also want a 40 bag, so I got this brown plastic bag. And I'm gonna put this Gatorade in it. Cause it's definitely giving 90s. Like, it's definitely giving 90s. And then I could ain't nothing in it but Gatorade. I think this is it. Wait, let me kind of stretch up the bag a little bit. You know how they used to look. But I need to get like, I don't even look right holding it. Like, and I keep looking that way because that's what my mirror is. But how do you even hold something like this? I don't even know how to. Outfit is definitely a go. And I think this 90s attire. And I'm gonna throw on these Nike slides in. Cause I already love to wear my Nike slides everywhere anyway. I just wanted to get my outfit together. So this is gonna be the fit. How I'm gonna do my hair, I do not know. I think I'm gonna do 2 pigtails or 1 ponytail. Either 2 pigtails or 1 ponytail. I don't know yet. Let's see what this 1 ponytail might be about. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do 2 pigtails because that just feels right. It feels right. So that would be 1, and then I think this will work. This is cute with the pigtails and the Nike slides. Let me back up. So, but for the most part, this is definitely a look. This is definitely what I'm wearing tonight. I'll be back tonight to show y'all my makeup and all of that. So